Your Excellency, I'm not happy. There is too much violence in Kisii. There is too much noise in Kisii. You know, when people are making noise, they don't work. I want to plead you to intervene on our behalf. Talk to this team, because most of them are in your UDA. Some of them are with us in ODM. I have listened to what Japhet Ogamba has said. I have listened to what some of the leaders are saying. Mheshimiwa Simbarati, talk to your leaders. Guide your people. You are the leader now, whether we like it or not. So pick your ball, run with it, call the players you want, play. If you score, fine. If you lose the game, out of the game, next time will be somebody else. My brother, we may disagree on principle, but I don't disagree with you personally. I respect you. You notice I never talk about you. I pray that God touches your heart so that these people who have been praying for us, I hope you listened to the prayers they made. Can we learn to forgive each other and learn to work with each other? Because we are children of the same mother. Mwanyagetinge bagusimba nyago iteramanyinga yekolete gesyomba. Simba togambere twanchire buna twanchire William atogambere ono nkike ho chanda lende ya umwishio kata nje na ko edo bogambe. Your Excellency, I told Simbarati to come to State House and talk to you, and he can come with me. Second issue. Abarai ba minto bagusi bono igomo gambi tobwato tenene se serikali yo Mheshimiwa William Ruto no mugako yo machogu mota koligania toikaranse tobwato mugako yo toboli Simba toboli aba MCA togende State House ye President Rato nyenyere eri tata turali